Will all promises be kept? Will we all feel better off? Get the notion we won't know until the catchment wears off. I looked up and to my left and saw the canopy of green. I do not need to be unburdened, I just need to someone to lead. And it looks a bit familiar, like it did the other time. They say that history don't repeat itself, no history just rhymes. The river's deep, the river's wide, and there ain't no way across it except to swim or swim down. The way is long, the path is mean, and I ain't got none of my friends left, 'cause they vanished in the stream. I ain't got none of my friends left, they all vanish in the stream. When the black cat and his chainsaw picked a child from his litter to remind us he's a man, I'll admit I did feel better. And I wondered if the jester knew that he's in on the joke. Some folks don't ask what's in the wagon, they just grin and bear the yoke. And it looks a bit familiar, like it did the other time. They all say history don't repeat itself, no history just rhymes. The river's deep, the river's wide, and there ain't no way across it except to swim or swing down. The way is long, the path is mean, I don't get none of my friends left, they all vanish in the stream. I ain't got none of my friends left, they all vanish in the stream. When they pave over the bodies and the democrats and stones, I will leave the yellows with the tree on the valleys of the bone. When the thirsty have their blood and the people's souls departed, and they raise the holy swollen golden temple of the arches, and it looks a bit familiar, like it did the other time. They say that history don't repeat itself, history just right. No, the history don't repeat itself, no, history just right. And the river's deep, the river's wide, and there ain't no way across it except to swim or sink or down. The way is long, the path is mean, and there ain't none of my friends left, they won't vanish in the stream. I ain't got none of my friends left, they all vanish in the stream. Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivor Saltfingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting disty for you. This is a song called I Ain't Got None of My Friends Left, from a gentleman called Jesse Wells. Okay, standard tuning, capo on the 4th fret. Puts us into the same key as he performs the song in, which is in the key of E. Okay, but simple chords. Okay, so hopefully you want to join me. Anybody that's interested in this song will join me hopefully in a couple of days' time for the breakdown. Okay, thanks very much for watching, listening. See you soon.